Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is my first official YouTube video. So welcome y'all. If you don't know already, my name is KelVana. I'm the proud owner of Allure Creations and Cosmic Clothing. Coming soon. Today we'll be doing a quick 20-minute tutorial on how to install your wigs and get it so slayed. And I'm not using any hard glue today. Today I will be using a list of products that you'll see once the video is complete. First step, as always, is to braid your hair down. After you braid your hair down, put your stocking cap on. You will always want to brush your edges back to make sure your edges stay healthy and full under your lace even after you apply glue. So the next step will be to apply your glue. Today's glue I'll be using is the ORS gel glue. I'm not 100%. I think it's like grip gel glue or something like that. And then I'm applying the Got To Be hard spray on top. Now Got To Be has this new line of spray that I'm going to include the photos at the end, and also going to include the link in the bios. I got mine from Amazon. There it is. So now I'm just placing my lace down into that glue. This glue actually was worth it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It was definitely worth it. I haven't used a temporary glue in so long. I kind of forgot how it works. So I was just like experimenting to see what works best, but it works just like the regular glue. You dry it until it's sticky, and then you pull your lace down into it, and it's going to give you that really good long lasting hold to it, just like So as you can see right here, I'm just going ahead and taking my rat tail comb and further pushing that lace down into the glue. So for me, y'all, if you know me, you see my installs, you know I don't do no baby hairs. So if you do baby hairs, this might not be the channel for you, but still continue watching, okay?